ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 14, Exercise 14A. Fill up the blanks. First part, O is the center of the circle. Here you see O is the center of the circle, and angle BAC is 46 degrees. It is given. So once it is a diameter, AB is a diameter, so the angle subtended by the semicircle on the circumference, at the circumference, will be 90 degree, because it is a straight angle, that is 180 degree. So the half of it will be the 90 degree. So it is 90, this is 46. And this, in a right angle triangle, the remaining two acute angles are complementary angles. Once it is a 46, so 90 minus 46, it will be the 44 degree. So the exact answer is 44 degree. Now come to the second part of it. If angle BAC is 70 degree, BAC is 70 degree, angle DAC is 40 degree, then angle BCD, you see, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the sum of the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral should be supplementary, or you can say the 180 degree. So you see, the BAC is 70 degree and DAC is 40 degree. So sum of these two will be 110. So BCD will be equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So BCD will be, this is the opposite to angle A. So the sum of this angle A plus angle C, should be equal to 180 degree. So just subtract 180 minus 110, you will get 70 degree. Now the third part of it, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and if x is equal to 120 degree, then y is equal to, we have to fill up, y is equal to half of the 120 degree. It is x is equal to 120 degree. So we have to find the value of y, means the angle subtended by this arc AB at the center is 120 degree. So the angle subtended by AB on the circumference will be half of it. That will be 1 by 2 of 120, that is 60 degree. So 60 degree is the appropriate answer for it. Now the fourth part of it. See, BC is a diameter. BC is a diameter, and the circle, so the diameter of the circle, and CAD is 65 degree, it is given. Then BCD we have to find out. BCD we have to find out, and BAD, you see BAD, what is BAD? These are the two angles, BAD and BCD. These are the two angles subtended by the same arc or the same segment, that is BD. So both should be equal, and BC is diameter. So the angle subtended by this semicircle at the point A will be 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 65, you will get 25 degree. So BAD is 25 degree. Once you have worked out the BAD, so that will be equal to BCD also, because angle subtended by the same segment on the circumference will also be equal. Hence the answer will be 25 degree. Now question number 2. In the figure, O is the center of the circle, and OAB and OCB are 30 degree and 40 degree respectively. Find AOC, you see here, O is the center of the circle. So OBC is 40 degree and it is given that this OCB is given 40 degree and OAB is given 30 degree. So just to join it, you will find that these are the radii of the same circle. OA, OC and OB are the radii of the same circle. So these are the isosceles triangle. OCB is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, OB is equal to OC. Hence, angle OBC and OCB will be equal. So, it will be also 40 degree. So, OAB, that is 30 degree, it is given. So, in this triangle, isosceles triangle, OB is equal to OA. Hence, the 30 degree will also be equal to OBA. Now we have got that these are the 30 and 40 degree. You see, here I have mentioned it to COD, that is 40 plus 40, that is 80 degree. For that exterior angle, I mean to say here 40 plus 40, that is 80, and AOD will also be sum of these two angles, that is 30 plus 30, that is 60 and 80. 30 और 60 को दोनों को प्लस कीजिए 140 आ जाएगा. 60 and 80 प्लस कीजिए 140. So AOD here, you see, AOD will be equal to 140 degree. Otherwise, you can say 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30, that is the angle on the circumference. So the same segment means ADC segment has subtended the angle of 70 degree at the point B. So the angle subtended by the segment ADC at the center will be double of it, that is 140. That is also one of the argument. Now, if you want to find out the reflex angle, so just 360 minus 140, this will be 220 degree reflex angle. AOD I have written here 220 degree. Now come to the question number 3. In figure, O is the center of the circle. Given that AOB is 80 degree, calculate the value of OAB and OAC. OAB we have to work out and OAC we have to work out, these two angles. Now angle AOB is given, that is 80 degree. So AOC will be 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. You see here, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, the radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle OAC and OAB are isosceles triangles. Hence, the angle OAB is equal to 180 minus 80 whole divided by 2, that is 50 degree. Now it will be 50 degree. OAB will be equal to 50 degree. Similarly, OAC will also be equal to 180 minus 100. We have worked out already. This is 100 degree. So 180 minus 100 whole divided by means we have to divide the remaining angle in two equal parts, that is 40 degree and 40 degree. So now here this is 50, this is 40. So total, that is 190, this will be 90 degree in semicircle. Means BAC is 90 degree or CAB is also 90 degree, the same angle. Now come to the question number 4. Reflex angle AOB. will be equal to 360 minus 140, that is 220 degree. You see, AOB, angle AOB, whose reflex angle means this angle will be 360 minus 140, that will be equal to 220. Now the angle ACB will be half of this angle, means 220 का देखिए ACB is equal to 220 divided by 2, that is 110. So ACB will be equal to 110 degree. Now the second part of it, angle OBC will be equal to 360 minus in bracket 140 plus 110 plus 50. So just to subtract it, first of all you add them, it will be equal to 300. So 360 minus 300, that is 60 degree. So OBC will be equal to 300, sorry, it will be equal to 360 minus 300, that is 60 degree. You see, we know that it is already given the 50 degree here, 140 degree. So you find out this reflex angle, that is 220 degree. So once you have got the 220 degree, so you can easily get the value of angle C, that will be the half of the 220. So once you got it, the 140 plus 50 plus 110, it is a quadrilateral. So the sum of all the four angles will be equal to 360. So just subtract 360 minus 300, that will be equal to 60 degree. Now come to the third part, OAB, smaller one, OAB will be equal to 180 minus 140, because OAB is an isosceles triangle, because OA is equal to OB, radii of the same circle. So once the two sides of a triangle are equal, then that triangle is isosceles triangle. Hence OAB, you see here I have done it, OAB is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree whole divided by 2, that is 40 divided by 2, again it is 20 degree. Now CBA, we have already worked out 60 degree, OBC, that is 60 degree. So 60 degree से माइनस कर दीजिए 20 डिग्री, because OBA is 20 degree. So just to subtract 60 degree minus 20 degree, you will get CBA. So CBA will be equal to 40 degree. And these are the answer of the question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 states that in figure, if ABC is 50 degree and BDC is 40 degree, calculate CDA, BAC and BCA. देखिए गिवन क्या है, ABC that is 50 degree and BDC is 40 degree. So we have to find out CDA. Now you see the CDA and CBA, both angles are subtended by the same segment of the circle, that is AC. This segment, you see, CBA and CDA, these two angles are angles subtended by the same segment, must be equal. So the CDA will be also equal to 50 degree. angles in the same segment 50 degree. Second part, BAC. BAC is equal to BDC. BAC is equal to BDC. क्यों? क्योंकि ये सेगमेंट जो है BC सेगमेंट, द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द BC at the circumference or on the circumference, you can say on the circumference, that is 40 degree, and it will be also 40 degree. Angles in the same segment, that is 40 degree. Now come to the third part, BCA, that is 180 degree minus BDC. BDC plus CDA, ये टोटल एंगल ले लिया हमने. सो 180 डिग्री माइनस 40 प्लस 50, दैट इज 90 डिग्री. माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 90 डिग्री. साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल, दैट इज वाई आई हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड इट फ्रॉम in order to find out BCA, because all these vertices are on the circle. Therefore this ADBC is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral, is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore sum of the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral should be equal to 180 degree, or you can say the supplementary, they are the supplementary. That is why I have subtracted it from 180 minus BDC, angle BDC plus CDA, that is 90 degree total. So 180 minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. I have mentioned the region, the cyclic quadrilateral. Now question number 6. In figure, the AC is the diameter of the given circle and BCD is 75 degree. Calculate the size of the angle ABC and EAF. ABC and EAF. You see, AC is the diameter. Once it is mentioned that it is a diameter, so automatically it is understood that the angle B is also 90 degree, because the angle subtended by the semicircle on the circumference, that will be equal to 90 degree. See, ABC is 90 degree angle in the semicircle. Now come to the EAF. EAF, this angle, vertically opposite angle, that is 180 degree. BCD is given already. BCD is already given, that is 75 degree. So we know that the vertex, these vertices lies on the circle. Therefore it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the sum of the opposite angle means angle A and C should be equal to 180 degrees. So just to subtract from 180 the value which is given already, BCD, that is 75. So you will get 180 minus 75, that is 105 degree. So it will be equal to 105 degree, and it will be the vertically opposite angle. What is the EAF? EAF will be 105. I have mentioned the region, the vertically opposite angle. हमने पहले इंटीरियर निकाला अंदर का, साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल का अंदर का. BAD निकाला, that is 105, and just to write down that it will be equal to EAF. Again it will be equal to 105 degree, being a vertically opposite angle. Now come to the question number 7. ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with the center O, and CD is produced to E. If ADE is equal to 70 degree and OBA is 45 degree, calculate the BAC and OCA. देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट में BAC, BAC is equal to 45 plus 20 degree. 45 plus 20 degree, that is 65 degree. And OCA is equal to 180. OCA. So 180 minus AOC, that is AOC, that is 140 degree, whole divided by 2, that will be equal to 20 degree. OCA इसका बड़ा एंगल बनाने के लिए, फिगर बनाने के लिए देखिए हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं इसमें. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and CD has been produced to E. This angle is given 70 degree. So and OBA is also 45 degree. It is given. OBA is 45 degree. Now you see the OA, OB and OC. These are the radii of the same circle, hence they are equal. Now in triangle OBA, OB is equal to OA. So it is an isosceles triangle. So this will be 45, again it will be also 45 degree. Now this exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is 70 degree, so it will be equal to the interior opposite angle, means interior opposite. It will be also 70 degree. So 70 minus 45, that is, it will be 25 degree. Once you got this 70 degree, so just double of it will be on the center, means angle subtended by ADC segment at B is 70 degree. Therefore, just double of it will be the angle subtended by the segment at the center, that is 140 degree. 70 into 2, that is 140 degree. Once you have got this 140 degree, again you see AOC is an isosceles triangle because OC is equal to OA. So 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140, so are divided by 2 because there are two equal angles. So 40 divided by 2, again you will get 20 degree, 20 degree. In this way you can find out easily. Here the same figure is there, but it was a very small one. I have already mentioned it. You see, OCA is equal to 180 degree minus angle AOC, that is divided by 2. So 180 minus 140, that is 2. That is 20 degree. 180 degree minus 140 divided by 2, that will be equal to 20 degree. Here the BAC, that is BAO plus AOAC. So 45 plus 20 degrees. You see, it is 45, this is 20, so it will be 65 degree. And these are the two answers of the question number 7.